Good morning, day, night, whatever time of day it is for you. Back in the shop, and yeah, we're gonna get started on the motorbike. Planning to drop the engine and get the head off, see what's what. Hopefully everything's good in there. I know it was a bearing, but kind of prepared to see a bunch of damage from a drop valve. Yeah, just wanted to apologize for the music in the background and how kind of weak that intro was. This is the first intro I've recorded for a video segment, and I'm learning. All right, but hey, I'm gonna jump in my time machine so we can go back and pull the engine. Apparently I forgot to shoot an outro after dropping the engine on the motorbike. Gotta keep it focused. Anyway, yeah, so GoPro's cut out right as I was dropping the engine. It did drop, obviously, but yeah, that was that. Got it out, but wasn't able to take it apart right away. Just time constraint, had to get back home. But we did look into the valves, at which I'll show a clip at some point, maybe somewhere, maybe. But yeah, thanks for watching the video. We will probably, next time you see me, we will be working on the SVX, which is right over here. I'll be prepping that to pull the engine. Feel free to subscribe. I'm pointing like I'm gonna put stuff in the corner, but I'm probably not, because like I said, I'm still working on learning how to edit, so this video probably won't have any links. Although it might, maybe I'll be smart and figure it out, because that's probably within YouTube itself, and I'm thinking they might prompt you for stuff like that. But anyway, I'm rambling and drawing this out, as I so often do. But yeah, please subscribe, share this with your friends, let's grow this channel. I'd like to, spread my knowledge, my motivation, my happenings with the world and whatnot. So everyone, have a good day, and see you later. I said see you later like 3 times.